David will play it. Come on. I'm teaching him. Don't put it in your face, huh? Just like this, David. Like what you did earlier. Just like this. Mama, masko po. Mama, masko po. Do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Mama, masko po. Mama, masko po. David, you're so cute. You look like a cute doll. David. Let's switch. David, you're so cute. Niloloko ko si David kahapon. Sabi ko parang yung godmother ni Cinderella si David. Kasi ang chubby niya. Kahawig niya, oh, 'di ba? Yung godmother ni Cinderella. Oops. Okay, beautiful friends, we love you. Sana wala ng earthquake. My gosh. Okay, we love you. David is protected with soft something. Even this one. Para pagka natumba ulo niya, he's safe. Okay? He'll just play and I'll just fix the living room. At saka ano pa bang gagawin ko, be? Kasi magliligpit ako, be. Mag-coffee ako, be. Hindi ako naka-coffee kagahapon. Dahil inantok na ako. Ay, pakainin ko pala yung mga isda. I will feed them. Let's feed the fish. Okay, we love you. Have a great day.